Hello everyone, I am Shivantika, legal intern at Lexis & Company for the month of June, and today we'll continue our video from yesterday where we were talking about the procedure for applying for Indian citizenship. So we had already discussed a lot of things. We were at the post submission of the application form in the collector's or the district magistrate or the deputy commissioner's office. So after following the procedure that was already mentioned by me in my previous video that relates to rule 11 and 12 of the Indian citizenship rules of 2009, the application will be forwarded by the concerned collector or district magistrate or deputy commissioner to the Ministry of Home Affairs, to the state government or the union territory that is concerned. Each applicant whose case is found to be fully complete in accordance with the prescribed requirements, the applicant is informed about the acceptance of his or her application through the state government itself, subject to the fulfillment of the prescribed conditions. Therefore, after acceptance of the application for the grant of Indian citizenship by the central government, submit certificate of renunciation of his or her foreign citizenship issued by the mission of the concerned country, a challan and original proof of deposit for the prescribed fee as mentioned by the acceptance letter, three passport size photographs which are duly attested on the backside by a gazetted officer, and three specimen signature of the applicant, and also the personal particulars of the applicant from in form 10 at the citizenship rule 2009. Thereafter, after the citizenship certificate shall be sent to the state government, who after completing all the formalities as prescribed by the Indian citizenship rules of 2009, will issue the same to the applicant. Now we'll talk about some general instructions that relate to the same. So once the application is filled and submitted, the applicant has to follow the instruction mentioned at the end of the hard copy of the online file application. Please do check all the fields in the form of the are filled in, all the necessary enclosures are attached before the submission is made to the collector or the district magistrate or the deputy commissioner concerned. Half-filled online request will be rejected and may cause a delay in the application. Also, the hard copy of the online application for the grant of the citizenship is basically to be submitted to the collector, district magistrate or deputy commissioner of the area where the applicant resides. The application along with a report on the eligibility and the suitability of the applicant is to be sent to them and further to the state government within 60 days. Thereafter, the application along with the recommendation of the state government is to be sent to the Ministry of Home Affairs within 30 days. So each application is examined in the ministry in terms of provisions of the Citizenship Act of 1955 and the rules that are framed under after obtaining a security clearance from the security agency. Also, each applicant whose case is found to be fully complete with the prescribed requirements is informed about the acceptance of his or her application through the state government only. The applicant is then required to furnish through the state government the certificate of renunciation of the foreign citizenship issued by the mission of the concerned country, along with the prescribed fee as mentioned earlier also, and other requisite documents that we talked about in this video itself. So thereafter, after completing all these requirements, a certificate of Indian citizenship will be issued to him through the state government only. That's it. I hope the process to you is now clear. Thank you so much for listening.